Hello everyone, my name is John Paul. Happy New Year. Today is January 4th, 2021, the first trading day of this new year, and as predicted, the market is dropping and falling. I put out a video at about Christmas, about a week or two ago, where I said the first few days of the year, first week of the year, expect a sell-off for this market, and the volatility is also going to increase, and it's exactly what we're having. So how do we take advantage of this? Well, we have a short on every single situation using the trade scalper method. I can see a lot of opportunities. So if you do not have the trade scalper as software to help you enter into these trades, you should be using price action to tell you instead what to do. So if you have the trade scalper software, you're doing very well today. If you are instead looking at a different method, I would suggest and recommend price action. So what we're doing here is looking at a shorting opportunity at 36.90 quarter. It's now at about 11.30. This is an opportunity. So let me go in and show you an example of what the trade scalper method could do using the software.
Order filled.
All right, so here is an entry to go short on the trade scalper software. Remember, we want a better price. If you're able to get a better price, fantastic. Don't chase the market. So if the market starts to run away from you, you're going to let it go. I have a target here of 2 points, but as you can see, the actual distance that the market could move is closer to 4 points. So that being said, what I'd like to do is increase this to come more in line to what the 1 times the ATR value happens to be. So I have it here at 4 points. I think just a tick in front of it is better. Let me just increase this here by a little bit so you could see the actual signal. Let me add also what you're seeing here, the text and marker. Okay, so the idea here is to go short. The trade scalper software is telling me to go short, and the distance that I want the market to move is typically 1 times the ATR, if not a little
Target filled.
bit more conservative. So there you go. There's the target, about 3 3/4 of a point, 4 points to go short. Remember, I'm only taking 1 times the ATR as the target. I'm not, obviously, as you can see, taking advantage of this. Scalping is typically you get in, you get out, you're done a few times a day, you move on to the next trade. So first, know the type of conditions that exist in the market. Is the market slow or fast? I use the ATR. I use the trade scalper software. And if we add, just as an example, the Atlas line here to see if there's any opportunities that also say go short on the Atlas line, here is the Atlas line. And you can see that price is below the Atlas line, giving us, and let me remove here the trade scalper software. You can see here the P's for the pullback trade, short, short, another pullback trade, another pullback trade. A lot of opportunities are going to occur as the new year and the volatility ramps up. Be careful. Remember, we don't trade when the market is above 5 points. I think it becomes a little bit risky because we're risking too much on each trade if it goes against us. So that's a typically I don't like to trade under or over 5 points and above 1 point. So above 1 point, the market is volatile enough. Less than 5 points or 20 ticks, I think is a good idea. Anything above it, so for example, when the market popped up here above the 5 points, it becomes more of a risk because your stops have to increase. That's a problem. All right, if anyone has any questions, email me support@DayTradeToWin.com or join the next mentorship class beginning January 19th. The trade scalper software is included, lifetime license. Thank you again. Bye-bye now. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the DayTradeToWin YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.